Right, good morning everybody. We're here with acting extraordinaire Tony Pitts, and he'll introduce himself in a second, because today we're going to fit this amazing JCR exhaust to Tony's 911. I was introduced to Tony through a contact of ours and fellow friend Sam from Seeing Through Glass, and he told me what a car nut Tony is, so we had to meet each other.
Yeah.
I can't quite believe he's colour coordinated to his 911.
Right, well I think we need to preface this by saying I genuinely didn't come out to colour coordinate my cap and my little trainers with my shoes because I might look a bit of a dick. It just occurred to me when I pulled up at a petrol station in Harrogate and some scaffolders pulled up and made a few gestures that maybe I've made an error with the outfit today.
Can you imagine if you were wearing my trousers?
Yeah, that'd finish it off, wouldn't it? Just
yeah, totally, yeah.
Just about. I've got a nice green t-shirt underneath as well, but yeah, we'll leave that for now. And I should say, I know we're here to talk about the exhaust, but I had no idea you were here.
Yeah.
Thankfully.
Yeah.
Because if I'd have known, I think it'd have been a few quid lighter than I am now. It's absolutely anybody who's watching who's not been down, I'd get yourself down a little wander around. It's unbelievable cars through there.
We'll have to get you down here more often, I think.
Yes, mate. Yeah.
Oh, what have you been doing? So you've been in all sorts of things that I don't watch.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm a
regular
regular in Peakies for the first 3 seasons. I've been doing it 42 years, so I've got a broad range of stuff. Usually film and TV, but I write and direct as well. So at the minute, just finished a film with Mike Lee's son. I don't know if people will know Mike Lee is one of British cinema's greatest directors. So I've just finished shooting with him. Yeah, fabulous stuff. Nuts in May stuff. It's a brilliant body of work. Finished that, and now I'm up in Yorkshire till July shooting season 3 of All Creatures Great and Small for PBS.
You get to manhandle any cows or anything?
I've got to get hold of a sheep on Friday. That's nothing to do with the job. That's just something to pass the time. So yeah, so I'm up here doing All Creatures till July, and then excitingly, I think for people who will be watching this channel, I'm just in the middle of writing a film called Classic, which is going to be a sort of homage to the passing of the internal combustion engine. So we're looking to shoot that in North Yorkshire at the end of this year, and we're looking at maybe 60, 70 of the finest classic cars that we can get our hands on, so that's what we're up to.
Anyway, right, enough about you.
No, more about me.
So because Tony's such a car nut, he said to me, listen, I love my 911, but it's a Gen 2, it's turbocharged, it doesn't quite make enough noise. So good friend of mine, Jonny Cocker, ex-racing driver, did Porsche Carrera Cup and loads of other stuff as well, the spent youth. He now develops these amazing exhausts, not just for Porsche, but for several people, but he specialises in Porsche. So he's been kind enough to supply this exhaust for Tony. We're going to fit it today. We'll do a noise test before and after, and maybe you'll have a drive. Tell us
for sure. And I should say about Johnny's as well. So when I made the decision that I wanted a little bit more noise and a bit more go, I looked at 2 or 3. I've had this is my 8th 911. So I thought I'm pretty au fait with everything associated with it, and I was going to fit this exhaust, I was going to fit that exhaust, and I spoke to Sam from Seeing Through Glass and a couple of others, and they all said that this is the one to fit, so this is the one we fitted.
And I don't know much about exhaust, but everyone tells me it's a masterpiece.
Yes.
So, and it looks pretty. So yeah. we'll bang it on the car.
Bang it? Well, we're not going to bang it on, are we? We're slipping it on. Yeah.
I was seeing the technician who's going to carefully put it on the car.
Carefully, yes.
Yeah. And then we'll get it out, have a run, see what you think.
Have a little run, yeah, fantastic.
And what we'll do at the end, we'll put the link to Johnny's website, which is JCR Racing Developments. So then if anyone was interested in the exhaust or anything, they can have a look for themselves.
Great stuff.
Right, let's see what it goes like.
Lovely.
Yeah. Right, exhaust fitted. Tony's just got back. He's had a little run out in it, so let's see what he thinks. He should have redirected this because he's better at it than I am. But right, young man, what did you think to that?
This is what I think to it. This is what I think to it. So what I've always thought about these, I think this is a sweet spot for the 911. But the sound's the one thing that I would have changed, and it's changed. So
do you have a listen?
Yeah, for sure. This is irregular. So it's nice and civilised with the neighbours. I've not got any really.
How old are you? How old are you? Good God. Are you pleased?
Absolutely delighted, mate. Brother,
Good
thank
man.
you so much.
All right.
Thank you.
Lovely to see you. Okay. Right.
I'll pull off, shall I?
Take care.
Try not to cross Africa.
Thanks, Tony.
Lovely to see you guys.
Okay. See you later.